It's a nice Sunday morning at our household.
When your kids want to camp and they're outside, she likes to play bobcat noises and stuff.
Help me, Zoe.
Kids. And also he does it too.
So, where are we going today? Well, I ain't getting no cooperation with this little video of ours. Well, here's our day out. We ended up at this place. And this is the lady that brought us to this place. These little farm kids camped out last night, and let me tell you a story. Their mama scared them to death. They were in the tent. She got a loudspeaker and started making coyote sounds.
Builds character.
Builds character, she says. But boy, them boys were running. Now we're going down here to get cooled off at Lake Longmire, their swimming area. All right, I'm gonna wrap this video up where I can go swimming. See y'all later. All right, bye. Ryan and Christy in the water up there. Jacob's chasing these ducks around still. These ducks are out here every time we came out here. It's a good place to come swimming. Not real crowded at all. Never has been crowded every time I've been out here. So yeah, everyone might check it out. It's Longmire Lake, east of Paul's Valley. They got cool tables here. Got a patio area, a gazebo, whatever you want to call it. We brought the little farm dog with us today. She did her swimming. They got camping areas that's usually pretty clean and nice.
I did cut myself on my finger. Hey, stop! Don't post that on YouTube. I'm tired of YouTube. Mom's gonna make her own YouTube video for me, her own YouTube channel for me in the car, and then I'm gonna post on you.
She's down there fishing. She don't know I'm watching her.
Go on, put it down.
That little guy's out there on the dock. Oh, Ryan. Let's see how he does. Looks like he's just playing around. Then we got old camper Jacob up there. With his farm dogs under the tree sleeping. Well, we're going to try to catch some fish. Talk to you later.